Hi, I'm Corey from RPG Offroad, Laguna Hills, California. What we're looking at today is the 2017 Ford Raptor. Ford has given us an awesome vehicle to work with, but we want to improve that vehicle. Today we want to talk about what we call our spring perch collar. On Gen 1 Raptors, we had the ability to adjust the front coilovers to increase or decrease vehicle ride height. On the 2017 Raptor, we are no longer able to do that. So what we have come up with is a spring perch collar that allows us to increase or decrease the spring preload, just as what was done on the Gen 1 Raptor. Here we have the spring perch and we have the snap ring grooves. There's 3 of them total in the body that allows us to get what we call bottom perch, mid perch, or top perch. But now in the new 2017 Raptor, we no longer have that ability. We have a single groove. Okay, so we are not able to adjust the vehicle ride height. Once it's set from Ford, you then need to give us a call and we will send you a spring perch collar kit. Simply what we do is we're going to lift up the spring perch, remove the factory snap rings, install our RPG spring perch collars, slide the perch back down. We've now increased vehicle ride height by 1.5 inches in the front. What we're doing here is disconnecting the sway bar, anti-roll bar, increase the floor jack height to the point where the vehicle is just slightly off of the jack stand. We're then going to go ahead and put our coil spring compressors on. With the coil spring compressors in place, we've added the clamp to the top to help retain the spring from falling down. We gently lower down the suspension. Allowing us to remove the spring pressure. Remember, the bottom snap rings are a press fit with the spring perch collar, so it will require some persuasion with a hammer and aluminum block to move the lower collar up to remove the snap rings. These are the factory snap rings. They're a square ring, unlike our conventional that we usually see as a round snap ring. Okay, so this is a square groove into an aluminum body. So the important thing with this, just make sure that it's clean. The collar kit is made into 2 pieces. All we do is just take the collar, put it inside the groove, wrap it around, set the logo to the position of your liking. Two Allen screws will be provided. Tighten the Allen screws down to 25 inch-pounds. We simply just use a T-handle. Now we're just going to use the floor jack once again to compress the suspension to relieve some of the pressure off of the coil spring compressors. Remove the coil spring compressors, and we are done. With what was about a 20-minute installation, we've installed the RPG 1.5-inch vehicle lift spring perch collars. We feel that this is a very good means to raise the vehicle height at 1.5 inches. It's a very strong product. They're anodized and laser etched, made in the USA. If you have any more questions, please feel free to give us a call or visit our website, rpgoffroad.com. Thank you.